Ochi Park.
Hello everyone, thank you for tuning back into my YouTube channel. I am Tiffany Clarice, and if you would go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel right there. Yep, boop, press that button and also ring the bell so that you guys can keep up with my next latest videos. Yep, go ahead and ring that bell. You know you want to. But anywho, jumping right into it, this video is about how to start a YouTube channel and also the tools that you need to get started. Me, myself, you know, years went by and I always said that I wanted to start a YouTube channel. And I never did because I always felt like whenever I recorded a video, the picture quality wasn't good enough, or either my video didn't look as professional. So I'm like, no, you know, I want my stuff to look good, and I didn't know what it took or what I needed to do. So then I began to search around, and I'm gonna share with you guys what somebody shared with me, and that's like what lighting you need. Also, if you want to use a microphone, and also just like backdrops, we're gonna, you know, be showing you everything today. If you go ahead and look down at the description box, it'll have all of the sellers from Amazon. If you see anything that you have used before, please let me know your experience with them, or if you have any other websites where people can go and buy ring lights or studio equipment, please leave them in the comments below. So first things first, let me go ahead and show you my ring light and what it looks like. So this is my ring light that I'm using. I have several lights. This is just one of them. Here is the control button of, you know, how to adjust the lighting on it. Just pretty neat. And then also this ring light, you're able to remove these panels. These are the other cover. Super easy. It just clicks right in place. And there you have it. So now they're all on there, and you guys can kind of see, like, it just gives you more of a red or warmer tone. This is the brightest. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these right off, y'all. Like, it's so easy. And I just want to do it while the video is still going so that you guys can see the effect. So this one has no filters or no dimmers at all. No softeners are on there. This is just it, just the bulbs itself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change them. Place them back on here. This is definitely my favorite. Bam, like you can stay all day. You can get those closer shots. I love it. And so yes, even if you guys wanted to film like sitting down on the couch, this height and this ring light would be perfect because you can tilt the ring light's head back and forth, and you can also adjust the stand on it. Also, it's dark outside right now, so if you guys have the natural light coming in through the window, it would definitely help even more with the brightness. But I have a remedy for that. This is my limo studio light. I love it. And just squeeze it into place. And right here at the top, you'll take this cap and replace it back. Open this right on up. And as you see this, you'll just have to hold the stand in place. Press it back until you hear it click. So this is what it looks like. Bulbs come in this container, and they do come with the light. This right here is the cover for the light, and it has Velcro tabs on there. So you just attach it. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like. Boom. And here we have it. All of the lighting is set up. So I'm going to show you how everything looks with no lights except for the light in the room, and then I'm going to turn on one light at a time. I have the studio light set up on both sides of the ring light. So this is just with the ring light. I'm gonna go ahead and take that up nice and bright. And then I'm gonna turn on this light. Then we're gonna turn on. So we have the ring light in the middle with the cell phone holder or either the camcorder. Then we have Studio Light 1 and Studio Light 2. I'm going to show you how to set up the backdrop. And multi-dimensional backdrops are so pretty because I feel like they just make the character, the item, the object, whoever or whatever is in front of the backdrop, it just makes it pop. And it allows you to see depth. The screw. Place the washer on top. And then you screw this in place. And you do the same thing for the opposite side. Backdrop does come with clasps. So you're just going to take one piece of the backdrop and clamp it into place. You can use a microphone. This microphone by Voice Pop. I haven't used it just yet because it is made for like your lapel, and it does have a connector and comes with instructions. You don't have to put it up there. You can kind of hide it and maybe put it where you can't see it. Then you can plug this right into your phone or your laptop. I have an iPhone, so I would definitely need to use my connector, and you just plug it right into the iPhone. So I do have one more thing that I like to use, and that is a reflector. So as you can see, I'll show you with it, and then this is with the reflector. It kind of just bounces the light off, just makes things even more brighter. When you're taking pictures, depending on what effect you want, it does unzip. This one is gold. And again, I'm gonna show you with it, without it, with it, without it. It helps with shadows too, I believe. So the taller chairs I'm using right now. I'm gonna come back in so that you guys can't see behind me. And so that the chair does not look like a wooden chair, what I like to do is drape a nice blanket over it, any type of material. And then I can hold my reflector if I want to, or I can set it right on the table. So it may take a few times to adjust your backdrop like just the way you want it, and also to get your lighting just right. May just take a few times. So again, you want to make sure your lighting is how you want it. You know, if you want to use a cover for your chair, you can just throw that right over, and you're ready to film. I'm going to show you what everything looks like. So after all of my hard work, this is how everything looks. We have a reflector right here, Studio Light 1, ring light, Studio Light 2. If you want to become a YouTuber, put in some work and some effort, and you will definitely see it bless you in return. Sow good seed, and it will definitely return unto you. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope that you share it with your friends. Don't forget to go down to the description box and check out all of the products and all the tools that I use, that I showed to you today, they don't cost a whole ton of money. So you can ball on a budget, maybe do one light at a time, maybe use, you know, your home or your living room as a setting. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. You have to start somewhere. Or if you do what I did, just order everything at once and give it a go. Don't wait, because I feel like all of the times that I used where I could have been doing something great, I sat on it. So if you could, please go and like this video right now, because I helped you guys out a lot. So hey, I hope you guys can help me out and like this video, share it with your family and friends. Thank you for your love and your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.